Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I will show you how you can activate Live Listen when you are connected to iOS device. In this case I'm using iPhone XR. So at first we have to open the case of our AirPods and be connected. Next we have to go for the settings, find Control Center, find Hearing shortcut, click on the plus to add it to our Control Center, then open the Control Center and tap on this hearing icon. Next, let's turn on one of the AirPods, just put it to your ear, and then we can enable the Live Listen. And right now, we can also measure this sound level with the decibels. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.